Going further with Google Sheets. You'd like to arrange the data to be easily interpreted and produce a visual representation. Freeze the top row so that it remains visible when you scroll down. Hide the row without a time. Apply conditional formatting to column C. Apply a pre-made color scale that ranges from green mean to yellow to red max. Close the conditional formatting panel. Create a column chart that shows each name and their time. Present hidden. Use the data in the chart. Change the chart title to Class Results to make it clearer. You're happy with the chart? Download it as a PNG image.